My dear students, today I will explain one important question. Okay, in this question, here they given one reactant. So this reactant is react with NaNO2 HCl. So they are asking about final product A. So we already know about this reagent about NaNO2 HCl. So NaNO2 HCl means it is diazotization mixture. So the work of this diazotization mixture is NH2 group is converted into N2 plus Cl minus. Okay, C1s. So after that diazotization, what happened? I will explain with the step by step. So once you can observe. So these question I will explain. So step by step, see once. Here, first here you can take the product. First step. In the first step, what happened? After diazotization, the product is CH3, CH3 here, CH3 here, CH3. It is OH group, and here another CH3 group. Here this NH2 group in the first step after diazotization it convert into N2 plus and Cl minus. So this diazotization it convert into N2 plus and Cl minus in the first step. So in the next second step what happened? See once here. In the second step, if you observe this, in the second step from this, in the second step, this diazotization is an unstable compound. So that's why it remove N2 plus Cl minus is a unstable compound, and it remove form a carbocation like this. It is the CH3 group. Okay, and next it convert into CH3 group. Here it is CH3 group, here OH group, here CH3 group, and these N2 plus Cl minus remove, and after removing these here these carb in the place of N2 plus Cl minus, here carbocation is formed. In this carbocation is formed. So this carbocation is formed here in the place of N2 plus Cl minus, because it is unstable compound. So that's why it remove and it form as a carbocation. So here once you can see this carbocation, after that carbocation what happened? Here see once. So in the third step, if you identify these third step convert into, here after this the Pinacol same as Pinacolone rearrangement, this methyl group is this methyl group is rearranged to this carbon and form a final product. How it is? Here C1s, here CH3 group is there. Okay, and here initial CH3 group, and C here also CH3 group is there. Sorry, here C1 one more time I will write. Here CH3 group is there, here CH3 group is there. After rearrangement, here in the place of carbocation, here another CH3 group is present. Here what happened? Here we can observe here OH group is present, and the carbocation here the formed like this. Okay, carbocation here formed. So here this carbocation, how it is? Here the OH bond is they form like this OH bond, and these OH bond, it is convert like this. The bond shifted towards this side and hydrogen is removed, and final product is here. We can write here the final product is in the last step. We can write the final product is CH3 group. Here this OH group is converting to C double bond O. Here C, here one CH3 group, here one CH3 group, here one CH3 group. So here based on this, what is the final answer for this reaction? We can observe here what is the final answer. Here we get CH3 C double bond O CH3. So here final answer is we get answer first option. Okay, thank you.